Hey there, Marc once again from Cheyenne Professional Tattoo Equipment, and most likely you will already know our capillary cartridges. So today we will have some tips and tricks how to use them perfectly and how to gain from all the advantages. The key point about the capillary cartridges is less dipping and a much longer and controlled ink flow. Means you will have to dip longer in the beginning that you might be used to get as much ink in the tip as possible. With switching in between cartridges, you want to make sure to rinse out the tip as good as you can. Note the slight angle, and that only the tip is submerged, which creates a vortex of water that gets pulled into the tip to rinse it out properly. While not in use, you might want to place the cartridge in a little cartridge holder with water so the tip is moisturized and possible rests of ink and ointment will not dry out. But make sure that you just touch the lower part and not the upper part of the cartridge to avoid cross-contamination with your machine. We hope this will help you to get the maximum benefit out of these cartridges. Leave a like, save this video so others will benefit from it as well. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below the video, and see you next time.